tutti! Today is going to be a very short video. Summer is coming. Summer is coming and I'm sure that it's going to happen. It usually happens to everyone, to lose your rhythm with a new language because we are too lazy, just want to enjoy our summer, we just want to go to the beach, just spending time with our friends and just having fun. That's why I'm launching Summer Coffee Chats. What is it about? Make your own coffee and join our relaxed 1-hour session. It's going to feel like we are two friends in a cafe with our coffee and just talking about everyday life. We can talk about what we did yesterday, we can talk about our future plans, we can just talk about our interests, our passions, languages, books that we enjoy reading, music that we listen to. We are going to work on new vocabulary, mostly summer vocabulary. We can analyze a few Italian songs together, just finding new words and expressions just to make like our vocabulary richer. But the main thing is going to be the speaking practice. As I said, it feels like having a coffee with a friend in a cafe, but in your target language. I'm going to offer these summer coffee chats in 4 different languages. So you can choose your target language and we can have conversations together. It's going to be in Italian, in English, in Spanish, and in French. I'm going to offer single classes, individual classes. It's actually cheaper if you book summer packages. 4 classes or 8 classes, 8 coffee chats. You can just text me on Instagram or you can send me an email here. I'm going to leave all the details below and yeah, I can give you more details about how the coffee chats work. So let me know what you think about that, what you think about this idea. I hope to see you soon during one of our coffee chats together. Subscribe to my channel and you can find me on Preply and Superprof, as I said before. We'll be happy to answer all your questions, to clarify all your doubts, and I can't wait to start our coffee chats experience together. Have a nice day, buona giornata!